Let me preface this by saying LooseRealityInc's studio's offices used to be much larger, but we did have a fire about 4 or 5 years ago, and we're still rebuilding. So, here we go. Lots of storage, and definitely kind of a mess, but hectic. This is a dual-core touchscreen PC, basically used for remoting into clients' PC, but also Netflix and Hulu. This right here next to it is a Surface Pro 3, I believe. I use it for graphic design, apparel design, web design, and anything that I use with my stylus. Great though. Here is a bunch of inventory, and yes, I do have lights for it because I'm nerdy, and when I do videos like this, it's great to show off. Check out all the PC. This is a wireless charging speaker as well as phone charger. That is my thermal printer. Prints banners and all kinds of things. This is a hard drive reader. It does IDE 2.5 and 3.5 and just regular SATA. And then of course there's Google Home. This is my infamous PC. It is a Thermaltake Core P3 case, a Ryzen 9 5900X 12-core 24-thread, a Radeon RX 5500 XT. I don't need much. A Samsung 860 EVO 1TB M.2 NVMe drive, a Western Digital 1TB 2.5 solid-state drive, two 8TB Western Digital hard drives inside the case with a Corsair H100i Platinum AIO. Yeah, I really like this machine. Can you tell? Oh, also nondescript, generic 32 gigabytes of RAM and custom PSU cables that you can't really see in the light, unfortunately. And a Corsair RM650 watt PSU power supply. And a front mounted GPU show-off mount, cause I'm fancy. This is a Corsair K70 Lux with the Corsair Nexus screen, touchscreen. That is the Elgato Stream Deck, a Corsair Harpoon wireless, and the Corsair Dark Core wireless SE RGB mouse with a wireless charging RGB mouse pad, RGB backlighting for the monitors, and a nondescript boom arm mic and microphone for voiceover such as this one. Oh, and a fingerprint reader for logging in. This is my NAS rig. It is a Thermaltake V100 case with a Ryzen 5 5600X 6-core 12-thread GTX 960 for rendering and codec, 16 gigabytes of generic RAM, SK Hynix I believe, 40 terabytes of total space with 20 redundant, and a hot swap hard drive bay that can read solid state and hard drives. On top of an MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. This is a MacBook Pro 2011 that was on Mountain Lion, I think, but went to High Sierra and now working on Mojave. This is a touchscreen printer scanner, kind of boring. This would be my HP Pavilion M7KO10DX model. It's got an i7, I believe, in it. And then tons and tons of storage and design. Put my old motherboards that I've taken out of systems up there. Vape collection, plus tons of storage for parts and inventory that I use to fix and customize PCs, as well as tons of other projects. Not to mention beautiful cable management up top with a cable tray, nothing on the floor, all those hard drives, and a NAS that I use to back up my PCs and my son's. And then underneath my desk is a motion censored light for the cable management underneath the desk, which I could do better, but I love the way it is. And that's about it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below.